Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete beginner-friendly way to create website mockups in Figma using a 3D style presentation. By the end of this, you'll be able to take a flat design and turn it into something that looks polished, realistic, and ready for clients or your portfolio. Let's jump in. First things first, open up your Figma file and make sure your website design is ready on the canvas. This could be a home page, landing page, or even a simple layout. It doesn't need to be perfect, just something you want to showcase. Think of this step like preparing artwork before framing it. Whatever frame you select is what will appear in your mockup, so make sure everything is clean and aligned. Next, we're going to use a plugin to create the 3D effect. Look toward the bottom center of your Figma interface and click on Actions. From there, go into Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, type Clay Mockups 3D. This is a really popular plugin that lets you generate high-quality 3D device mockups in seconds. Once it shows up, click Open. If it's your first time using it, you may need to install it, but that only takes a moment. Now, with the plugin open, go ahead and select your website frame on the canvas. This part is important. If nothing is selected, the plugin won't know what to turn into a mockup. Inside the plugin, choose the option for website or screen mockup. What happens next is pretty cool. Your design will automatically be placed into a 3D rendered device, like a laptop or screen, depending on the style. At this point, you've got a basic mockup, but now comes the part that really makes it stand out: customization. Start by adjusting the rotation of the device. This lets you tilt or angle it slightly to create a more dynamic look. A straight-on view works fine, but a slight angle often feels more professional and visually interesting. You can also change the camera perspective. This changes how the viewer sees the mockup. Small adjustments here can make your design feel more immersive, almost like it's part of a real-world scene. You can also change the device color. For example, black for a sleek, modern vibe, white for a clean, minimal look. Pick whatever matches your brand or the tone of your project. Take your time with this step. It's easy to rush, but these little adjustments are what turn a basic mockup into something that actually impresses people. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click Save as Image. The plugin will generate a high-quality image file of your mockup. From there, you can download it and use it anywhere: your portfolio, client presentations, case studies, or even social media. It's a simple way to make your work look much more professional without extra tools. And that's it. You've just taken a flat website design and turned it into a clean 3D mockup right inside Figma. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you've got questions or want to learn more Figma tricks, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.